guys, welcome back to today's video. Yo! Today we're with Grace playing Aeroplane 2. Yeah, everyone's been waiting for this today. Now let's go on the presidential plane. No, literally, where is she? Man, where is she? She's following me. Oh, good boy. Good girl. I ain't making her. Here she comes. Look, I think we can be here on time. Yes, we're here, baby. Today, everyone's been waiting for this day because it's Aeroplane Day. Because I've been doing Aeroplane 1 video, and she's never done like a story game before. I think she might be recording too, but I'm not sure. I know that I'm recording. That's the only place where I know who's recording. I think no one else in the server except for me and Grace are YouTubers. Hey, what? I think I missed T8, so let me sit down. Never mind, my friend. Even that, nearly at the back. Nearly at the back. Now, Grace knows that I'm recording, so this is what I'm recording. Here! Here! She doesn't know that her seat's right here. Here it is. Oop, here it is. No, it isn't. No, she's gonna die. Oh, she got it! She got her suit! I feel so proud for her. We just did a barrel roll with it. We just do a barrel roll? The face looks... Thank you for your cooperation. I actually did record this video once, but it got deleted. It didn't get deleted off YouTube. I forgot it got deleted on my recording app. It's not a creepy plane. Well, it will be a creepy plane. I hope that she doesn't have to make the food. I hope that is somebody who has to make the food because I'm really good at it. Also, there's like, I think we're gonna get an ending because like there's loads of these posters. We're gonna try and collect it. We're gonna try and collect them all. That's what the game's about. Did anyone else see that? Yeah, Hey, Agent! You look like Agent Peely, man. If you don't know who Agent Peely is, he's a Fortnite character. But the only part where he's missing is he needs to take his hat off and he needs some yellow skin. And then he would look a bit like Agent Peely from Fortnite. Fortnite is one of those games that are awesome. I think Fortnite Mobile's back now. Yeah, we're gonna follow you, Agent. I'm just following you. Oh, yeah. I think so. I remember the last time I played this game was when I actually. Why is it not letting me click it? Oh, got it. And then there might be something here, like, I don't think there ain't. the plane. I want this water. Don't cause any trouble, guys, or well, you'll get kicked off the plane. I want that glass of water. It looks so nice, that water does. Also, yeah, you saw my video what I posted this morning, but that was about Brooklyn. And it was so awesome because it was about the noodle. Cat crew only. Oh, this looks really cool. Imagine if you can get in there. And there's mops. There's mops. Oh, I don't remember. Did I get that? I think I did. Literally, no, you're not one. The man will get chucked off the plane if we don't get it. She makes it even worse. Really, man? Race? No, oh yeah, great. Yeah, please don't do that again. I did that all by myself. Do that again, please. She's rude. My friend at Grace is so mean. Literally. Hey, he looks like a fat guy. He's a fat man. I'm gonna call him Ronald Trump. His real name's Ronald Trump because in Aeroplane 4, as you know, like he's in Aeroplane 4 in the good ending. He's called Ronald Trump. He's a bit like Donald Trump. I don't know about Donald Trump really. Even that, he's one of the best presidents ever. I'm not joking. I just like his last name, Trump. Welcome to my. He says that it's his aeroplane. It must be on like the. It must be on like from it. It must be like it's an airport. The airport own airports own some airport. What is it? Is it Thomas Cook? Is it? Oh yeah, I forgot Thomas Cook doesn't exist anymore. I think if I get picked, I think there's a letter inside here. So, and we'll try and get that. Because it's pretty fun, this game. After this, we'll get Aeroplane 3, and we'll get the bad ending of Aeroplane 3 the next time because I know that everyone likes a normal ending, but I don't. Oh wait, wasn't me? Oh, my friend. It was this guy. It was the guy with the blockhead who looks like stupid. Okay. Like, but if I cause mist, is she talking about mist? Oh, never mind. Oh, just to say, guys, breaking story, I'll be doing like a video on that soon. Oh, I didn't get picked. I really wanted to get picked. Okay. I think he's gonna get chucked off the plane. That's the sad part because, like, some people don't know how to do this, and he might get chucked off the plane. And that's the sad part. Look at her booty. We're gonna spectate in that booty. Booty! On the Roblox booty. Seriously, yeah, we're gonna zoom in on that Roblox booty. He's terrible. Oof! Yeah, it's so funny. That is so funny, guys. He's still there. That's only me and Grace and this weird boy. Everyone, take a seat. Oh, jeez, it won't let me take a seat. Oh, luckily, no, Grace, take a seat. This man's not listening. So it's flying like bees today. fault and I was so weird. But I won this game. It all started because of Grace. You should thank Grace for letting me play Roblox because I wasn't really a big fan of Roblox back in the day. But Grace introduced me into it. And when Grace showed me it was like one of the best games ever because it had this game, it had Poncho King's games, it had Breaking, it has the best seats. Oh, it'd be cool if I could sit in the president's chair. Hey, you won't let me follow you. Oh, weird. You need to go to the computer room. I think I'll be in a private server soon on this game because when I say private server, I don't have enough to pay for one. But sometimes everyone dies, so I call like, you play private server time. Where's my friend? Oh, she's running with the booty. She got that booty. Yeah, man. If you look at my booty, you got a bow and arrow on because booty check-in. Roblox with girls, Roblox make the booty stick out. Really annoying. Also, sometimes there's a glitch with the booty on Roblox. Oh yeah, we have to figure out a code. Oh, it's yellow. It's yellow. The code is literally yellow. That's when you need to change the code because they're so easy. Is it yellow? Is it actually yellow? But I can't. Oh, good. Oh, that was literally yellow when I turned it on. Let's see if this one's yellow when I turn it on. Oh, I think we need to do this one. Yeah, that's it. Done. That was so easy, you big dummy. Hey, Donald Trump, how you doing, man? Oh, there's a letter. I think there might be a letter in the computer room, maybe. There might be like a letter underneath, like anything. Oh, they teleport. Hey, I can't get back in the computer room. Hey, see, if you zoom in so bad, I think we'll be able to see how it feels. Oh no, we can't. No. Not really. We're not interested. Yeah, he left early. I want to get in my bedroom. I want to get in that bedroom because it's my bedroom. For some reason he lost his keys. That was a bit dumb, is it? They're right there. His keys are right there. Come on, man. I'll be back in about 2 seconds. Oh, that was better. I just had to do something. Now let's get in the room. Like you see, we've got 4 of those now. Now it's the best bed for me and Grace. Now trust me, this game gets creepy. All the aeroplane games are a bit creepy, but I would say like Aeroplane 3 and 4 are not that creepy. But Aeroplane 1 and 2 are like so creepy. Also, you know what? In every aeroplane game, there's always a person called Ronald. I don't know why. In Aeroplane 1, there's a person called Ronald, and if you get the secret ending. In Aeroplane 2, there's someone called Ronald right here. And there's another Ronald in Aeroplane 2, the monster, of course. Then you've got in Aeroplane 3, the monster again, but he's not in his monster uniform, he's Ronald. And then you've got in Aeroplane 4, the monster version and the normal version of Ronald. So, yeah, and you've got Ronald Trump in Aeroplane 4, remember, just to say that, just to say, yeah. Oh, the curtains are unraveling. Oh no! Ah! Let me out! There's a monster! no, it's the monster from last time. Remember that, guys? Remember that in Aeroplane 1 video? Oh no, oh no. What are we gonna do? 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 We actually need to run so bad. Oh, we could die. If I die in this game, luckily there's no spectators. There's no spectators. Pretty bad. Oh, I think she's died. I think Grace has died. I think we're going solo. Oh yeah, we are solo. Ah! I don't think it can get us though. Oh no, I forgot. Oh no, it's lava. The floor is literally lava. Oh. Do we die? Hey, we didn't. What's up, man? Literally, man. Oh, the phone's ringing. I think I should pick it up. I don't think we're gonna get banned. Hey guys! Oh, it's Pilot Keely! She survived! Can I get out of here? You don't say. We saw. In aeroplane games, they always have sad music. I don't know why. Guys, I'm getting scared. Oh. I think I can survive. Oh, that's better. Luckily the monster can't get in now. Hey Pilot Keely, how you doing? What's up? Boom, boom, hey. What's going on? is so sad. Oh. I feel so safe inside. But literally I've never been like... Oh yeah, I forgot that. I didn't get that one in there. But we don't need that ending because we're not like one of those people who needs it at the moment. He's obsessed with planes and he likes plane crashes, man. Well, that's me. That's a pretty sound. Like some people might have died, literally. His bullet still chases people. He's still alive, man. He's still alive. You don't know that. We can change any shape. Oh, it's bad. Like, the monster might actually not be real. Take this gun. Have you actually got a gun? Yeah, I'll take the shot. I want to take the shot. We're gonna kill the agent. I don't know why. I want to kill the agent. I will do it. Only because I'm the only person in the server. Guy? You should say guy, man. You should literally say guy. Oh, we're here. He's been looking for me. Have you? No! Wait! I want to shoot it at... Let's shoot it at the agent. No. That was good. Let's not shoot. I'm sorry. I think you made the right choice. Yippee! We got the gun ending, maybe. Everyone is under. Why are we under arrest? We did nothing. Yippee, guys! The end. What ending did we get? You don't tell me what ending I got. You should be telling me what ending I got. Or if I already got the ending. I think I might already have the ending, that's why. Maybe that's why. Bye. Oh, seriously, guys. Bye.